Hey what's up guys, मैं हूं सुमन फ्रॉम सुमन टेक एंड वेलकम बैक माय अनदर वीडियो। सो दोस्तों, आज मैं एंड्रॉइड वर्ल्ड के साथ एक कोलैब करने जा रहा हूं। तो ये मेरे चैनल पे नए आए हैं तो इनके चैनल पे जाके डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं लिंक दे दूंगा, जाके सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक और शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए। तब तक मैं चलता हूं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे। गुड बाय।
तो हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं सोमी बैनर्जी फ्रॉम द चैनल एंड्रो वर्ल्ड। मैं आज सुमन टेक और सुमन के साथ कोलैब करने जा रहा हूं और उसने उनकी डिस्क्रिप्शन में और इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेरा चैनल का लिंक दे देगा और मेरे चैनल में आके सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। और इस वीडियो को पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर कमेंट करके बताना और उसका चैनल का भी सब्सक्राइब कर देना ताकि नई नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। तो इस वीडियो में आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं Redmi Note 5 Pro का अनबॉक्सिंग। और चलिए सीखते हैं, चलिए जानते हैं उसके बारे में, मतलब कि Redmi Note 5 के बारे में बहुत कुछ और Redmi Note 5 का स्पेसिफिकेशंस, कैमरा क्वालिटी एंड सम सैंपल फोटोज। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ Redmi Note 5 Pro and get on the video. Thank you.
So here comes the unboxing of the MI Redmi Note 5 Pro, and the topic of this video is the unboxing of Note 5 Pro, and here's the package. So let's move on to the unboxing. So here is the package, and I bought this from mi.com directly, not from Flipkart, because I didn't get it in the flash sale. And there's mi.com package, and now I'm making it out from the packet. And here's the box. Here's the cardboard box from mi.com, and inside of this the actual box for Redmi Note 5 Pro. And here it is. And here's the mi branding over there, and here's the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and here is some specifications given here. It is 5.99 inches of Full HD Plus display, and here on the side of this 12MP plus 5MP dual camera, Snapdragon 636 chipset, 4000 mAh of lithium-ion battery, and below there is several other specifications of that Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor. Screen resolutions, 20MP front camera with selfie light, an MIUI custom Android OS, and it is lithium-ion polymer battery, and over there 15.2 cm 5.99 inches of Full HD Plus display, 18:9 aspect ratio. And I previously opened the seal, so never mind and pardon me for that. And here's the box been opened by me, and over there, like iPhone X, which has been copied here, there that is some papers over here, and there's some specifications written over there of this phone, and another book is over here, and in several languages the warranty, voice, the terms and conditions have been written. Now we are following to the handset, and here comes the handset from the box. It is the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and you can see it's a quite full view vision and simple bezel-less phone, not that much bezel-less but lesser bezels than other phones. And on the back is the dual cameras, and here's MI brandings, barcodes, warnings have been written. You can remove these papers. Here's the dual camera 12MP 5MP, and here's the dual tone self front to rear flash. Here's the fingerprint sensor over here, and the network bars are here, and at the bottom there is the USB type B port, speaker grills, and the primary mic, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the front, that is the 5.99 inches of Full HD Plus display, and it is the selfie camera of 20 megapixel 20MP. It is the front speaker grill for calls, and there the proximity and other sensors. And side of that is on the here it is the volume up, volume down, and below there is the power button. And on the top there is practically nothing else than the primary mic and the sensors. And again on the left side there is the SIM tray, a SIM nozzle to be opened by the SIM ejection tool, which is inside the box. And this is the unboxing, and now we're gonna head to the um, specification sections, and on the nano SIM tray there will be either 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM, 1 micro SD card. So there is no dedicated card slot. There is one normal back cover for the handset. Till you don't buy a specific back cover for your phone, it can be flexible. It's very flexible. It's not that much hardy one, just to protect from some scratches. And here is the power adapter of 5 volt 2 ampere. Here you can see that is the 5 volt 2 ampere, so it can quite fast charge the 4000 mAh of battery. And here that is the micro USB cord of USB type B. And this is a headphone. There's a bad word for me, that you may use your old ones or you may buy some new ones. And here comes the SIM ejection tool, and just to remove the SIM tray from the left side of the smartphone. And now I'm going to the specifications, and here's the specifications, that is I'm making it on, and here is the MI branding over the screen there. And now it's been written Android, and it's now blinking to turn on. And here there is the screen comes. So now the first feature, face recognition, face unlock, and it's coming quite faster, it's working quite faster.
So I've seen about the first and the most beneficial features for the recent time smartphone buyers, that is the face recognition. And now I'm gonna show you that how much fast is the fingerprint sensor, and the other features are the specification about this phone. So please watch till the end to get all the information about this smartphone and about all the most unbelievable features that have been given on this smartphone.
Here comes the fingerprint sensor, and here's the fingerprint sensor. I'm tapping finger on it and it's opening. It's really very fast, and you can just see touch on. It's very fast, it's really working very fast. I'm quite impressed with it. And now the now several clicks from the camera, which is quite emerging feature of this smartphone. Here's some back camera clicks. You can see the branding that is shot on Redmi Note 5 Pro MI dual camera. It's quite splendid, and the colors are quite flourishing. And here's the portrait mode pictures, that the background has been blurred, and it's a simple nature click, which is quite very flourishing with the colors. The colors are extraordinarily splendid. And here's some stunning panorama clicks in different lights, some low lights, some highlights, and that panorama clicks is covering almost of 300 of degree. So it's quite amazing for me, and it really amazed me with that. And here now there is some selfies. This is with the beauty and depth mode both on, and it's very interesting. And here is no beauty mode, but still depth mode is on. Astonishing pictures has been clicked by me and by this phone also. Now here are some other specifications for the smartphone. I'm going to the settings, and here we're finding for the about device section here. And oh yeah, over there is about device, and you can see here there is one upgrade is available of 1 GB that may upgrade it into Oreo. Still this is Nougat on the first hand 7.1.1, and here over here that is of IMA version 9.2.7.0, and CPU of Snapdragon 636 and maximum 1.8 GHz. And here it is the CPU of 4 GB RAM and the internal of 64 GB. And here are other specifications bars over settings here, and this is the specifications of the smartphone.
So this was for today guys, and this was the unboxing of Redmi Note 5 Pro. Hope you have enjoyed and hope you have known lots of things, lots of information about this phone, about the beneficial features of this smartphone, and hope you're gonna enjoy all videos from this channel. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my video if you really do, share my videos, comment down below about your important suggestions and queries from me. So stay tuned with my channel to get more unboxing, more information about the Android, about the tech and about the smart. Thanks for watching. Watch you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and keep sharing love. Thank you.